Welcome to Tooltech Geek. This video is about a system to replace scales on a Swiss Army knife. If you're following EDC news, you will know that Keyport has been making a system to replace scales with all sorts of useful items. So I very excited about that. I pledged to the Kickstarter and I'm waiting for the parts, but this will not arrive until August of this year at best. So in the meantime, I want to experiment making a DIY version of that. So I remove the scales of this knife. I measure very carefully all the dimensions, including these rivet heads, which are kind of very small. They are less than a millimeter height, some of the details. So what I had to do is take pictures to do some of the measurements. The others I measure with the calipers. Based on that, I designed some parts and I did a couple iterations. This is one that worked the best. So I have these little adapters that go and grab the those rivet heads, and then they will have a little hole to connect to a screw, and on the other side we have another one, and then we have the scale itself, which has a piece carved there to fit with these ovals. So when we put it like this, then we can put these screws and see if that's gonna fit. As you can see, this system is not as easy as the Versa 55, because in that system you just snap the things with a spring. Instead here you have to install it with a screwdriver, which requires a bit more work. It's not that fast. So it's not really a replacement of that system. It's more of a DIY experiment. But the advantage is that these are all 3D printed parts except for the screw. The screw is a M2, so it's 2 millimeters the diameter, and the length is 3 millimeter, because we don't want the scales to be too thick. So I try to use the shortest ones that I have. So now the screw is grabbing onto this adapter, and turns out to be pretty sturdy, pretty firm. I made a version before that was super wobbly, but this one is better. So pretty happy with results, and I'm of course looking forward to the Versa 58, but in the meantime I think I'm gonna experiment maybe a little more with this, and I would like to know what you think. If you are interested in getting a hold of some of these parts, or the files to 3D print your own, let me know. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do so, like, etc. Thank you for watching.